Struggling to cut through tough metal without the hassle? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, DeWalt Metal Shear Attachment. Priced at $62.65, what caught my eye here is its versatility. This tool can cut through 18-gauge material, which is impressive. If you want something that makes cutting metal a breeze, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The DeWalt shear can handle various materials like sheet metal, ducting, and even asphalt shingles. It features a 360-degree pivoting head, which means you can maneuver it easily around tight corners without straining. It weighs only 1.59 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to use for extended periods. Honestly, I love how it can connect to most 18V to 20V impact drivers, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Now, some people complained about its attachment needing a bit of practice to get used to. Here's the thing though, for a DIY enthusiast or a professional, that slight learning curve is totally worth it for the efficiency you gain. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for various metal cutting tasks and already own an impact driver. Skip this one if you're looking for standalone shears or if you're only cutting very thin materials. Overall, it gives great value for the price. Now, if the DeWalt attachment style bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, the CZS Sheet Metal Cutter. The CZS Sheet Metal Cutter, which is priced at just $19.99. I was genuinely surprised by how affordable it is for what it offers. If you're looking for an electric drill attachment that can cut through metal efficiently, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Powered by your electric drill, this cutter can slice through iron plates up to 1.5 millimeters and aluminum up to 1.5 millimeters as well. This means you can efficiently tackle those home projects without spending hours trying to cut metal manually. It's also designed to operate with a reverse function if the cutter gets stuck, which is a handy feature that adds to its safety. However, some users noted that it struggles with thicker materials, particularly anything over 1.5 millimeters. Now, here's the thing. If you're mostly working with thin sheets, this won't be a problem. But if you're planning to take on heavier materials, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or need a quick tool to enhance your existing drill. Skip this if you're a professional contractor who needs something for heavy-duty use. At this price, it's a solid buy for light to moderate tasks. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for cutting flat metals.
Product number 3, Jickbead Metal Nibbler, available for $19.98. This compact tool caught my interest because it claims to be 10x faster than conventional tools. If speed and efficiency are what you're after, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Jickbead can cut through flat metals up to 21 gauge and below, which means it's great for projects like HVAC ductwork or crafting. Its design is focused on cutting speed, and the fact that it can handle various materials like galvanized tin and aluminum makes it a versatile choice for smaller jobs. However, I did find a downside. It can't cut through ridged or ribbed metals, which limits its use for certain projects. Now, some might see this as a deal breaker, but if you're primarily working with flat sheets, it's not an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you need something compact and quick for basic metal cutting tasks. Skip this one if your projects involve thicker or more complex materials. For the price, it's a great addition for anyone who needs to tackle light metalwork swiftly. Now, if the limitation of the Jickbead is a concern for you, the next product offers a more powerful option.
Product number 4, the Wen Metal Shear. The Wen Metal Shear is another great option. This one stood out because it features a variable speed function, something you don't see in many tools at this price point. If you want precision in your cuts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Wen Shear can cut through 18-gauge sheet metal and 20-gauge stainless steel, which means you have the flexibility to tackle a variety of projects. With a powerful 4-amp motor and a pressure-sensitive trigger that allows you to adjust from 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, you can customize your cuts based on the material. Plus, its lightweight design helps to reduce fatigue, making it great for longer jobs. One thing to note is that it's not cordless, which some users found inconvenient, but honestly, if you have a power source nearby, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's a solid tool for those who prioritize versatility and control. This is perfect for you if you need consistent performance for various thicknesses of metal. Skip this if you're looking for a portable or cordless option. Given its capabilities, it offers great value for what you pay. Now, if the need for a cordless option is on your mind, the next product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Propellant Cordless Metal Shears. We have the Propellant Cordless Metal Shears priced at $79.99. I was intrigued by its cordless design and high torque capability, making it a strong contender. If you want the freedom to move around without cords, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a torque of 400 Nm, this shear can cut through 14-gauge steel, making it perfect for demanding tasks. The 360-degree pivoting head allows you to cut from any angle without straining your wrist, which is a huge plus for comfort during extended use. Plus, it features an LED light for working in low light conditions, ensuring you can see your cuts clearly. However, it's important to note that the battery isn't included, which can be a bummer if you don't already have a compatible DeWalt battery. Now, some may see this as a negative, but if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, it makes sense to invest in it. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or someone who needs a high-performance tool for various metal cutting tasks. Skip this if you're not ready to invest in additional batteries. Considering its features, I think it's a solid investment for serious users. Now, let's wrap up and find out which one stands out as the best choice.
So there you have it, 5 incredible electric metal shears that can make your cutting tasks much easier. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DeWalt metal shear attachment because of its versatility and attachment compatibility, which is a game changer for DIY and professional projects alike. On the flip side, I'd suggest avoiding the Jick metal nibbler if you plan to work with ridged materials, as that limitation could slow you down.